What is ratio? So for example, if I grab a handful of rainbow cubes as shown below and I ask you to find the ratio or make an observation, I might say there are 5 purple cubes to 7 blue cubes. So 5 to 7. They're 5 purple to 7 blue. In other words, you just made an observation about ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two values. I compared the purple to blue. What if I want to do, that's a part to part. What if I want to do a part to whole? For example, I may have said, oh, there are 5 purple cubes to 20 cubes in all. So my observation is 5 purple to 20 whole pieces, or 5 colon 20, they mean the same thing, or write it as a fraction as 5/20th. Did you know you can simplify this as another way? So I could have said 1, divide both numbers by 5, 4. That means I could have said there are 1 purple to 4 pieces. Or I could have said there are 1 colon 4, or 1/4 of the cubes are purple. So ratio is a comparison of two values. If you look at here, find the ratio of dogs to cats. There are 9 dogs to 3 cats. I could rewrite it using colon, 9 colon 3, or I can even write it in fraction form, a comparison of two values. Can I simplify 9/3? Divide both numbers by 3, so it'll be 3, 1. That means there are 3 dogs for every 1 cat. You could put these 3 dogs, line them up with this cat. These 3 dogs, line it with this cat. These 3 dogs, line it with this cat. So the ratio. What about if I ask you find a comparison of cats to dogs? That would be 3 to 9, 3 colon 9, or 3 over 9, which simplify if I divide both numbers by 3, it'd be 1, 3. That means there is 1 cat for every 3 dogs. So you're comparing two different items. So that is what ratio is. It's comparing two different. Does order matter with ratio? Yes, it does. Because if I ask you to find the ratio of girls to boys, it's 3 girls for every 2 boys. If you switch it up, 2 girls for every 3 boys, according to the picture, that does not make sense. So order does matter with ratio. And very shortly, we'll learn how to build ratios into different tables. So if I said there are 3 girls for every 2 boys, I can build it up to 6 girls for every 4 boys. I could say there are 9 girls for every 6 boys, and so on. So this is ratio, comparing two values.